If your skin feels dry, irritated, or in need of some extra nourishment, a quality facial balm can be a game changer. Facial balms are rich, multi-purpose skincare heroes that soothe, hydrate, and protect your skin's natural barrier. Whether you're battling harsh weather, dryness, or just want a comforting ritual, the right balm can transform your skin's health and texture. Today, I'll share the best facial balms 1 to 5 that deliver intense moisture and repair with gentle yet powerful ingredients suited for all skin types. Let's dive into these nourishing skincare staples. Kicking off our list at number 1, Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin, the Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin Facial Balm is a deeply hydrating balm that focuses on restoring and strengthening the skin's moisture barrier with its rich ceramide complex. It's especially beneficial for dry, sensitive, or compromised skin needing a boost of moisture and protection. Key features: this balm contains 5 essential ceramides combined with moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin to deliver long-lasting hydration. The formula is lightweight despite its richness and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It is fragrance-free and designed to soothe irritated skin while reinforcing the skin barrier. Benefits and usage: the Ceramidin balm effectively combats dryness, redness, and sensitivity by restoring lipid balance. It shields skin against environmental stressors while providing immediate relief from tightness and flakiness. Apply a pea-sized amount as the last step in your skincare routine, morning and night, to lock in moisture and calm skin usability. The balm comes in a jar with a thick, creamy texture that spreads effortlessly on the skin. Despite its richness, it feels comfortable and non-sticky, making it suitable even for those prone to breakouts or sensitive reactions. Durability: the 50 milliliters jar is generously sized, providing several months of daily use. The formula maintains its efficacy throughout, ensuring skin stays hydrated and resilient over time. We have Weleda Skin Food. Weleda Skin Food is a cult classic ultra-rich facial balm revered for its intense moisturizing and healing properties. Formulated with natural plant extracts and oils, it's perfect for very dry, rough, or cracked skin requiring heavy nourishment and repair. Key features: this balm features a blend of calming chamomile, calendula, and wild pansy extracts alongside sunflower seed oil and lanolin. It's a natural, vegan-friendly formula free of synthetic fragrances and preservatives. The texture is thick and emollient, designed to create a protective barrier on the skin. Benefits and usage: Skin Food delivers intense moisture, soothes irritation, and promotes skin healing, making it ideal for flaky patches and rough areas. It can be used on the face, hands, and body for all-over hydration. Apply a small amount on dry areas as needed, or use as an overnight treatment for extra nourishment. Usability: though thick, it melts into the skin with gentle warmth from your fingertips. Because of its richness, it's best suited for night use or as a spot treatment on particularly dry patches. Durability: the 75 milliliters tube or jar offers great value and lasts long. The balm's formulation remains stable and effective, making it a reliable staple in any dry skincare routine. Coming in at number 3 is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Facial Balm is designed to soothe and hydrate extremely dry or eczema-prone skin with its rich yet fast-absorbing formula. It's a dermatologically tested balm that supports sensitive skin needing gentle repair. Key features: this balm contains colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, ceramides, and allantoin, all known for their calming and moisturizing effects. It's free from harsh chemicals, fragrance, and parabens, making it safe for delicate skin. The texture is dense, but lightweight enough for comfortable wear under makeup or alone. Benefits and usage: Ultra Repair Facial Balm provides immediate relief from dryness and irritation, reduces redness, and strengthens the skin barrier. It's perfect for use during seasonal changes or flare-ups. Use as the final step in your skincare, applying a thin layer to seal in moisture and soothe sensitivity. Usability. The balm has a creamy consistency that absorbs quickly without residue. It can be applied morning and night or as a spot treatment for severely dry areas. Durability. The 57 grams tube lasts several weeks to months depending on usage frequency. The product's effectiveness holds steady, offering reliable hydration and skin comfort. Mer The Lip Balm, Mer The Lip Balm, though marketed primarily for lips, is a luxurious facial balm known for its deeply nourishing and healing properties. It can be used on dry patches beyond lips, offering intense moisture and soothing benefits. Key features: enriched with the signature miracle broth, rich sea kelp, and mineral oils. This balm delivers profound hydration and skin regeneration. It has a silky, non-greasy texture that glides smoothly and provides long-lasting softness. Benefits and usage. The balm not only hydrates but also helps heal dry, cracked skin while protecting against environmental aggressors. It's ideal for dry lips, cuticles, or dry patches on the face. Apply a small amount wherever skin needs moisture or relief, layering as necessary for maximum effect. Usability. The balm comes in a small jar, easy to apply with fingers or a clean spatula. Despite its richness, it feels lightweight and comfortable, suitable for sensitive areas. Durability. The 7 milliliters jar may be small, but the balm is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way, lasting several weeks. Its high-quality ingredients ensure lasting nourishment. Finally, at number 5, we have Glossier Balm.com. Glossier Balm.com is a cult favorite multi-purpose balm designed to hydrate, protect, and soothe dry skin areas. It's perfect for lips, cuticles, or any patch of skin needing a moisture boost. With a lightweight yet effective formula. Key features. This balm is formulated with moisturizing ingredients like castor seed oil, beeswax, and lanolin. It's available in various flavors, including original, rose, and mint, without being overpowering. The texture is thick but melts easily on contact. Benefits and usage. Balm.com provides a protective barrier that locks in moisture and shields skin from dryness. It's great for daily use, anytime skin feels chapped or rough. Dab a small amount on lips, elbows, or any dry spots throughout the day for instant hydration. Usability. The balm comes in a convenient, portable tube that's easy to apply on the go. Its non-greasy finish and pleasant scent make it ideal for frequent use. Durability. The 15 grams tube is compact but long-lasting due to the balm's concentrated nature. It withstands daily use and maintains skin softness and comfort effectively. Finding the right facial balm can be transformative for dry, sensitive, or stressed skin, offering much-needed hydration, protection, and repair. These best facial balms 1 to 5 from Dr. Jart Plus's ceramide-rich formula to Glossier's versatile Balm.com cater to a variety of skin needs with gentle, nourishing ingredients. Whether you want a rich overnight treatment, a healing solution for rough patches, or a multi-use balm for daily care, these options provide lasting comfort and radiant skin. Choose your perfect balm and give your skin the care it deserves.